This is Marie from the I Love the Yucatan channel at Isla de Mujeres. It's June 21 and we still have some restrictions due to the COVID lockdown, etc. And here I am going towards North Beach, heading out on a little, I don't want to call this a peninsula, but something that goes out. Who knows what this is? But what we can see, we got lots of boats out here. They don't seem at all disturbed by this COVID crisis. And I'm hoping to find places open going on the way to North Beach. Right now it's not too busy, but it's Sunday. We'll see.